Hi guys, I'm dietitian Diana, and today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious healthy salad that you can have for either lunch or dinner with a lot of immune supporting ingredients. So as the base, I have arugula and kale. You can use any greens you want, but the dark leafy greens are going to provide a lot more nutrients. For here, I have a lot of different vegetables I'm going to add to the salad, but a few of the ones I really want to point out is garlic. So garlic, especially raw garlic, is really helpful for immunity. We also have mushrooms. So mushrooms do contain some vitamin D, and vitamin D is also very linked to immunity. Studies do show that if you have more adequate levels of vitamin D, you actually have a reduced risk of getting respiratory infections. Now, it is important to know that vitamin D is harder to obtain through food. So if you're not getting it enough through the sunlight or through your foods, I do recommend taking a low dose supplement. 1,000 IU is perfectly fine and safe. For protein and fiber, I'm actually going to use some beans. Beans are excellent source of a vegetarian or vegan source of protein, and they also have a lot of zinc, and zinc is really important to proper immune function, especially when it comes to the number of immune cells that we have. Next up, I have some sauerkraut. So sauerkraut is a fermented food, meaning it has live probiotics in it. And probiotics are really important to support our healthy microbiome, our gut bacteria. So a healthy gut bacteria is essential for proper immune function. It helps to protect us from pathogens and any invaders. And next up, for a dressing, I just mixed together some olive oil, vinegar, salt, pepper, a bunch of spices. But then I also added some freshly squeezed orange juice from some oranges. And we all know oranges provide a lot of vitamin C, which is really important to immunity. Vitamin C is also a very powerful antioxidant, and it can help reduce inflammation. And then lastly, not specifically related to immunity, but if you follow me, you know I am a big fan of broccoli sprouts. So I'm gonna add some broccoli sprouts to this salad. Broccoli sprouts contain this compound called sulforaphanes, and they activate this pathway in our body that's related to anti-inflammatory and detoxification pathways. And it activates this pathway more than any other nutrient out there. So if you guys want me to do a tutorial about how to grow your own broccoli sprouts, let me know. I'm happy to do so. And lastly, I'm just gonna add some avocado. It's a great source of healthy fat, and it just tastes delicious as well. And there you have it. I hope you guys enjoy this immune supporting salad.